She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a PR package here from Madam Glam. They asked me if I'd like to pick 4 polishes. So we're just going to take a look at the box. Whatever a VIP wants, a VIP gets always 50% off. I am part of the VIP program. You pay $29 a month and that money goes as store credit. So you can save it up or you can use it each month. I usually save mine, and you always get the gels 50% off, free shipping. It's absolutely amazing program. And yes, they are vegan, cruelty free, 21 free, formula free, palm oil free, and henna free. So yes, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the colors I picked. I did go for like purpley blues this time, and of course I had to grab a nude. So we're going to go ahead and take a look. The first nude that I picked up here is called Rosy Nude. And it is such a pretty color. Oh, I love it. I know I say about that all their nudes, or every nude I get, I just love it. So yeah, this is definitely more on the rosy side, like the name. It's just really pretty. And then I had to pick Purplelicious. I saw everybody with their January polishes, and so I had to pick Purplelicious. I just thought it was absolutely gorgeous. And then this one is more of a very, very dark blue. It's called Behind the Scenes. I don't know, the label's purple, but it's an absolute like midnight, very dark blue, and that's what I wanted. I didn't have anything this dark, so yeah, it's so beautiful. And then Can We Leave? This is another kind of a bluish purple, and it's got glitter in it. It's really, really pretty. It's got rainbow, well, like blue and I think like purpley glitters. So yeah, these are all the colors here. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you guys. So we're going to start with Rosy Nude. And I'm just going to show one coat here. Oh, yeah, this is really, really pretty nude. I really like it. And they go on, of course, very smooth, very creamy. Then we have Purplelicious. So these are the Korean formula. The ones that come in the bottles like this are their Korean gels. So they are a little bit on the, not necessarily jelly, but I mean, they're not as opaque as, you know, their regular formula. But I really like the formula. They're really nice to work with. And then Can We Leave is that beautiful glitter. This one, if you want it pretty opaque, you want to do about 3 coats. But yeah, it's really pretty. And then Behind the Scenes, I just can't get over this blue. Look at this. Oh, it's so gorgeous. So yes, I did end up doing 2 coats of this just because I wanted to see how dark it would get, and it's so pretty. But look at that, how fast it just self-levels. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, we're going to take a closer look here. This is 2 coats with their non-wipe top coat. Very, very pretty beige. And then this is the Behind the Scenes. Look how dark it is. Oh, it's gorgeous. And then the glitter one here. And then, so I did do 3 coats on Purplelicious and Can We Leave, the glitter one. So yes, I'm going to think of a design. I kind of have something in mind, not sure. I'm just going to go ahead and start and then see what comes to mind. I do have this gummy bear charm I've been wanting to use, but you know what, I didn't end up using it because the purples and the blue just, for me, it didn't match good enough. So I'll be right back. All right, so I already went ahead and put on my tips. These are the long sculptured nails by Nail Couture, and I did go ahead and put the Madam Glam base coat. I buffed them, all that, put the base coat. Yeah, I have a little cut on my finger. I was lifting a box and there was like the handles in it, and I scraped my finger. I'm always scraping my fingers, but or cutting them. So first we're gonna start with the Rosy Nude, and we're gonna do a full nail of this on the pinky and the thumb. We're gonna go ahead and do 2 coats. And then I do cure each coat for 30 seconds. All right, so here's the nails here, and I did apply their velvet matte top coat. I just wanted the nails to be matte. I just liked the way the beige looked matte, so I went ahead and matted them. I'm also going to do some nail art on them, so that's why I wanted to do it matte. So we're going to go ahead and do the middle finger, the whole finger. We're going to do that beautiful dark blue. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Behind the scenes is what it's called, and it's so pretty. And so I ended up doing 2 coats of that. But yeah, it's gorgeous. All right, so this is with the 2 coats here, and I'm gonna go in with their Super Cat Eye. And I love this. It's so like metallic-y and just gorgeous. So I'm gonna apply this over the whole entire nail. And then we're not gonna cure it because we're gonna go ahead and move it around with the magnet. So I wanted to kind of do like a sky, like a dark sky. I don't know, just I like stars and moons and clouds, and so I just wanted to do something like that. Yeah, I don't even know what to call them, but yeah, I just wanted to do something with stars and moons and clouds. Yeah, so I just did 1 layer of that, and now we're gonna go and take our magnet, and I'm just gonna go ahead and move the magnets around. I've seen a lot of people do this first. You take the little magnet and kind of move them around like to activate it, and then I'm taking this real long one here, and I'm just moving them, I don't know, just moving them around. I kind of wanted it in the center, kind of to look like a galaxy, I guess. So yeah, I'm just gonna be moving that around with the magnet. And then once you like where it is, go ahead and cure it. So I wasn't recording here, but basically all I did was half the nail I did with the rosy beige. And I'm just going to do like a slant. I'm going to do a negative space on the ring finger and the index finger. So yeah, I just took the rosy beige, like I said, painted half the nail. And yeah, I ended up doing 2 coats, but then I'm just kind of making a slant there. And then I did cure that, and now I'm going in with my second coat just to build up the opacity, and then I take my brush and just clean up my line. All right, so then I am going to go in, and I'm also going to matte these as well. I just like the way the beige looked matte, so I'm going to go ahead and just apply the matte, and then we cure that for 30 seconds. Alright, so that's what they look like there, and we're using Purplelicious. As you can see, I already did a line here on the ring finger. I'm just doing a little bit of purple, just following that slant, and this is the second coat. So yeah, that's all I'm doing, is just doing a little slant of I wanted to incorporate the purple. I'm just going to clean it up there, and then we go ahead and cure it. And then we're going to take behind the scenes, and I'm just going to do a little bit at the tip. We're also going to slant. Sorry, I was kind of towards the bottom of the screen there, but we do 2 coats, but I'm just, like I said, I'm just going to do the tip, and then we're going to make it slanted. So we're going to leave that whole middle there clear. Yeah, I'm just cleaning up the line there. Sorry, I kind of drifted away. So then we go ahead and cure it. And so I already went ahead and did the index finger. So now we're going to use these little moon glitters and the little 4-pointed stars. And I'm actually going to use top coat. So I usually use base coat. And I used the base coat and then I used my little jelly stamper. And for some reason it was not sticking. I think my little jelly stamper might be, I think the batteries are not good anymore. So I think I'm gonna have to change the batteries, but you'll see I did use it for this one with the top coat and it stayed okay. But then I actually used my little light. You can see it up there on the screen. My little flashlight there, just to cure everything. Cause yeah, I think the batteries are not good anymore. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and lay these little stars and moons right there in that little clear area. And I actually have the blue and the silver, so I'm just alternating colors. And so, yeah, I'm gonna add, I thought this was an X bar, sorry. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply another moon here. So I'm going to take perfect white, and I'm just going to make some little dots. I thought it looked kind of plain, so I'm adding some little dots, you know, where it's open around the star and the moon. But you guys, oh my gosh. So I did the index finger and I totally forgot to add the white dots. I didn't even notice that. Like, look there's no white dots. I didn't notice that until yesterday. I did these, today's Sunday. I did these on Friday. Yeah, Friday night. And I didn't realize until yesterday night when I was editing. I'm doing the voiceover today on Sunday, but I was editing the video yesterday and I was like, what? And I looked at my nails and I'm like, oh my God, that's why it looked different. So yeah, I forgot to put the white dots, but I mean, it's fine. So now I'm taking behind the scenes and we're just going to be making some clouds on the, I'm going to do this on both the the pinky and the thumb. So just going to be making some little clouds with our dotting tool. And then I did go ahead and cure after I did those 3 just because I didn't want to mess it up. I'm kind of clumsy, so I didn't want to accidentally rub them off. So I'm just going to add 2 more here. And then I'm going to take the super cat eye again, and I'm just going to go on this nail too and just do some little dots just to fill in the little space, just to give it a little bit more, just something there. Yeah, sorry it's blurry. It keeps focusing on that middle nail, the cat eye nail. And then I did take the velvet mat and then go over these nails too. So the only nail that's going to be shiny is the middle finger and then the tips of the ring and the index finger. So I'm going to use this little silver charm here. I think I got these on Shein, a long time ago. But they're the little 4-pointed stars, and we're just going to put that right in the middle of the middle finger. All right, so these are the finished nails here, and I love that little ring I have. I think I got it on Shein. It's a little cloud. It's super cute. It has like a lightning bolt and then like a little dangly, like little raindrop, but super cute. So yes, these are the nails here. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. Check in the description box for my code and my link. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much. Bye.